the truth about walking for weight loss after 40. Have you ever been told that all you need to do to lose weight after 40 is walk more? Just get your 10,000 steps a day. Take a few evening walks. Stay active. Sounds simple, right? But if you've crossed the age of 40, you may have noticed something frustrating. You can walk every day, stay reasonably active, and still struggle to lose weight, especially around your waist. So what's really going on? Is walking ineffective after 40? Or is there something most people don't understand? Today, we're uncovering the truth about walking for weight loss after 40, why it works, why it sometimes doesn't, and how to use it correctly to finally see results. Let's begin. As we age, our bodies naturally change. After the age of 40, metabolism begins to slow down. Muscle mass gradually decreases, hormones shift, and recovery takes longer. For many people, this means they burn fewer calories than they did in their 20s and 30s. At the same time, life often becomes more sedentary. Long hours sitting at work, family responsibilities, stress, and lack of sleep all contribute to gradual weight gain. This is why many people suddenly notice extra pounds appearing, even though their eating habits haven't changed dramatically. The good news: walking remains one of the most effective forms of exercise for people over 40, but there are important details you need to understand. First, let's address the biggest myth. Walking alone is not a magic weight loss solution. Many people assume that if they simply walk every day, the weight will melt away. Unfortunately, that's not how the body works. Weight loss still comes down to one key principle: burning more calories than you consume. Walking helps create that calorie deficit, but the number of calories burned during a walk is often lower than people expect. For example, a brisk 30-minute walk may burn between 120 and 200 calories depending on your weight and walking speed. That's beneficial, but it can easily be canceled out by a sugary drink or a small snack. This doesn't mean walking is useless. Far from it. Walking offers benefits that go far beyond calorie burning. In fact, some of its greatest weight loss advantages happen behind the scenes. Walking helps regulate blood sugar levels. After meals, blood sugar rises. If blood sugar remains elevated too often, the body becomes more likely to store excess energy as fat. A simple walk after eating can help your muscles use that glucose more efficiently. Over time, this improves insulin sensitivity and supports healthier weight management. Walking also reduces stress. This matters more than many people realize. After 40, chronic stress often becomes a major obstacle to weight loss. Work pressure, financial concerns, family responsibilities, health worries. All of these can elevate cortisol, commonly known as the stress hormone. When cortisol remains high for extended periods, it encourages fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Walking outdoors has been shown to lower stress levels, calm the nervous system, and improve mood. That alone can make weight loss easier. Another overlooked benefit is consistency. Many workout programs fail because they're difficult to maintain. High-intensity training sounds great on paper, but if it leaves you exhausted, sore, or injured, you won't stick with it. Walking is different. It's accessible. It's low impact. It requires no special equipment. And most importantly, you can do it almost every day. Consistency beats intensity when it comes to long-term success. Now here's where many people over 40 make a mistake. They walk slowly for a short period and assume that's enough. While any movement is beneficial, the quality of your walks matters. Research consistently shows that brisk walking provides greater health and weight loss benefits than casual strolling. A brisk pace means you're breathing harder than normal but can still hold a conversation. You're moving with purpose. Your heart rate increases. Your muscles work harder, and your calorie burn rises significantly. Think of it this way. There's a big difference between wandering through a shopping mall and taking a focused power walk around your neighborhood. One keeps you moving. The other challenges your body. If weight loss is your goal, aim for a pace that feels moderately challenging. Another strategy that becomes especially effective after 40 is increasing your daily movement throughout the day. Many people focus only on formal exercise. They complete a 30-minute walk and then sit for the next 10 hours. Unfortunately, prolonged sitting can offset many health benefits. Instead, look for opportunities to stay active all day long. Take the stairs, park farther away, walk while talking on the phone, stand up and stretch every hour. These small movements add up. Fitness experts often refer to this as non-exercise activity, and surprisingly, it can play a huge role in total daily calorie burn. Let's talk about belly fat. Because for many adults over 40, that's the area of greatest concern. The truth is that walking can absolutely help reduce belly fat, but spot reduction is impossible. No exercise can specifically target fat from one area of the body. As your overall body fat decreases, abdominal fat decreases too. Walking contributes by increasing calorie expenditure, improving insulin sensitivity, and reducing stress hormones. Combined together, these effects support a leaner waistline over time. Patience is essential. Many people quit because they don't see dramatic changes within a few weeks, but sustainable weight loss is a long-term process. The goal isn't to lose weight as quickly as possible. The goal is to lose it permanently. Now let's discuss one of the most powerful combinations for weight loss after 40, walking plus strength training. Remember how we mentioned that muscle mass naturally declines with age. This decline slows metabolism. The less muscle you have, the fewer calories your body burns at rest. Strength training helps reverse that trend. Building and maintaining muscle keeps your metabolism healthier and improves body composition. You don't need to become a bodybuilder. Simple resistance exercises 2 or 3 times per week can make a huge difference. When walking is combined with strength training, the results are often far better than either approach alone. Nutrition matters too. You can't outwalk a poor diet. Many people overestimate the calories they burn and underestimate the calories they consume. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain when portions become excessive. Focus on lean proteins, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and healthy fats. Prioritize protein at each meal. Protein helps preserve muscle mass, supports recovery, and keeps you feeling full longer. And don't forget sleep. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones and increases cravings. Many adults over 40 are unknowingly sabotaging their weight loss efforts simply because they aren't getting enough quality rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours whenever possible. So, what is the truth about walking for weight loss after 40? The truth is that walking works, but not because it's a miracle exercise. It works because it's sustainable. It improves health. It reduces stress. It supports metabolism. It helps regulate blood sugar. And most importantly, it's something you can continue doing for years. The people who succeed aren't necessarily doing the hardest workouts. They're doing the activities they can stick with consistently. A daily walk may not seem dramatic, but over weeks, months, and years, it can transform your health, your fitness, and your weight. So if you're over 40 and wondering whether walking is worth your time, the answer is absolutely yes. Put on your shoes, step outside, pick up the pace, and remember that every step is an investment in a healthier future, because sometimes the simplest habit is also the most powerful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to stay healthy and lose weight after 40. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.